Hello, this is ECAA 2016, question 21, and here we've been given a population pyramid for England and Wales, and we want to know which of these statements is not true. Okay, so if we just go through them and see if they're true or not. So for this first one, over the age of 34, the number of women is higher than that of men for every age group. So we start off at the 35 to 39 age group, and if we just compare the numbers for each of these age groups, then we see indeed all of the numbers for women are higher than those for men. So the first statement is true, so I'm going to tick that to show it's true. Okay, next for the second option, below the age of 35, the number of men is higher than that of women for every age group. So again, we're just checking the numbers. So we start off at the 30 to 34 age group this time. And if we look at these numbers, then we do see that the ones for men are higher. So the second statement is also true. Okay, so now for this third statement, that should actually say there are more than twice as many women as men in the 85 plus age group. So if we look at this, so there's fewer than 420,000 men. If we double, it's going to be less than 840,000, and that's indeed less than the number of females. So this third statement is also true. Okay, so let's look at this fourth statement now. So not taking children below the age of 1 into consideration, the least numerous age group is that of people aged 80 to 84. So accepting this age group, this one, it says, has the least people in it. And if we compare with all of these younger age groups, then this age group would definitely have fewer people in, because there are smaller bars for both men and women than all of these younger age groups. But what about this 85 plus one? So it has a smaller bar for the male, but a bigger one for female. Okay, so if we try to add them up to compare, let's just look at the first two significant figures to make it easier. So it's like we're dividing through by 10,000. Then we'd have approximately 42 and 86 if we round, and that would give us 128. And because we've rounded up for both of these, we know that there's actually fewer than 128 people, 128 times 10,000 people in this age group. So less than 128. Okay, so now looking at this age group, so dividing through by 10,000 and just looking at the first two significant figures, this for the men it would be approximately 54, and for the women, let's round down because we rounded down over here. So for the women we have more than 78, and it doesn't even matter exactly what that is, but we can see it's greater than 130, right? And we rounded down for both of these, so the actual number is definitely greater than 130, and we see that this is more than the upper bound we had for the 85 plus age group. So there's actually more people in the 80 to 84 age group than the 85 plus. So this is not the least numerous age group. So statement D is wrong, and that's our answer. If you wanted to double check using E as well, it says the most numerous age group consists of people aged 40 to 44. And for 40 and 44, we see that this has the largest bar for both the men and the women. So it is the most numerous age group. So this statement is actually true.